This piece of trash is our old Civic wiring loom. We ended up breaking this at a drag event, so because of heat, ended up melting one of the wires and the entire car shut down. So today what we're going to do is chop a piece out of this loom and we're going to get a blowtorch and try and melt it. And we're also then going to put some silicone heat sleeve over another section of it and show you the difference between one and the other. If we put silicone heat sleeve over the loom in the areas that we should have done before we went to the drag day, it would have completely fixed the issue. We're basically going to do a demonstration today of how we screwed up. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Right, we don't need this anymore, do we?
We don't need it.
Just so we don't melt our nice table, I'm going to put some of this aluminium heat barrier down. This one we're going to try and melt first. As we can probably all tell, this is just going to melt into oblivion. And then we're going to try it with heat sleeve over the top and just see if it even stays intact. Right, number one, come closer. How long was I on that for? 5-10 seconds if that. It is just absolutely melted. It's sort of squishy, it's melted, like that is not nice. All the wires you can see are exposed on that side as well.
Got a liven earth, short out potential fire risks, ECU damage, component damage.
This is a similar thing to what happened to us, where the wiring ended up melting and it ended up just shorting and just blowing fuses. We ended up blowing, what, like 5 fuses that day? Luckily, didn't do any damage, but it can. It can, yeah, short, cause fires, it can do loads of different things. So, right, we'll do the same test on this one. So as you can see, it self-extinguished itself. We'll just wait for that to cool down and then we'll check the wiring inside. Cool down, cool down. It's barely even touched it. And that was with a direct source from propane heat as well. So that propane torch can go to, I think it's 1900 degrees. Holding it that close is obviously way more than you ever get in a real situation. Even like turbos and exhaust manifolds, will go to like 1100-1200 degrees, around there somewhere. Although the outside is melted, it's still in one piece. Even on the other side, it's absolutely fine.
But it's one of those things, if you do have a fire in the engine bay from something, like a fuel line rupture or something, surrounded with that will be protected.
For sure.
Now, obviously, engine bay stuff, you can never, if you have an engine bay fire, majority of it's going to get ruined anyway, but that's like a worst case scenario. But if you've got this, and it could save you money and a lot of hassle and heartache.
Look at the difference between them. One is melted and one's mint. And also, this is 30-year-old wiring. We wanted to use the wiring specifically from the Civic. We didn't want to use new wiring, just to show exactly what would happen. This is more a real-life situation than it is anything else. And again, we've had this exact thing happen to us. As you can see, holding it on for like 10 to 15 seconds ends up just kind of melting the outside of it. But it is still intact. Should we cut this open whilst we're here?
Aesthetically, it looks a little bit naff, but it's done its job. It's served its purpose.
The inside's absolutely fine. Obviously it's gone through a bit of discolouring, but I mean the inside is absolutely fine.
We've done extreme heat here to show how good it is.
And it's basically just the outside flaking. Yeah. Like under all that flake, it's still silicone. So that is the advantage of using something like silicone heat sleeve on wiring. And that is also why we use it on all of our builds now going forward. And it's kind of the advantage to use it on any race car or anything. I mean, even road cars definitely do benefit from it, but the heat difference is obviously massive. When you're in like a race car application, you've got big turbos and you're running like nitrous and all the other stuff, things get incredibly hot really, really fast. If you do want any of this stuff, we do have it on the website. I'll just put the link in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and we will catch you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.